Hello, welcome back. Lockdown day number 6. Today I've just chilled out, had a few games on the PlayStation, chilled out indoors all day really, just popped down to the local shop and back. Other than that, I've been at home all day, and now it's evening time, probably about 8:30 in the evening, 8:15. I'm heading back now towards work to kip out in the truck tonight, and then I'm gonna start early in the morning for lockdown day number 7, trucking back out on the road. So hope everybody's still safe. Thought I'd keep you updated what I've done today. Not a lot, just chilled out after a busy week, and we'll update and catch you all tomorrow, day number 7. Take care all. Hello everyone, day 7 lockdown here in England. The contract I was meant to be on today, the guy's now back in off for being worked for a week. My transport yard has all the work allocated, so I'm about to join everyone else now at home, self-isolating, and I will be on call 24/7 now as and when the company needs me. So yep, waiting for the bus now, about to head home, self-isolate along with everyone else, and yeah, I'll see how I cope with it, and we're waiting for that phone call just to work. So not on furlough, just waiting on call, and yeah, take care everybody. At least now I know I'm going to be more safer. I think life's definitely more worth it than working unnecessarily. So yeah, on call, and we'll catch you all soon. Thank you. Day 7 lockdown here in England. Hi everyone, lockdown day number 8 here in England. This is my first full day at home from work. Yesterday was coming home. I'm just on a 24-hour call out now, waiting for the phone to ring from work if I need to go in. I've got a feeling that'll probably be only weekends now. So yeah, at least now I'm like 80%, 90% safer at home, and just on call out when work needs me. Today I've just chilled out in the garden for a little while in the sunshine, played a few games on the PlayStation, just popped down the shop, but basically just chilling out, first proper relaxation for a while, and I'm making the most of it, enjoying it. So yeah, getting paid still, although it's just basic money. I'm quite happy just to sit here, chill out, do what I've got to do, and just wait for a phone call as and when need be. So yeah, everybody keep safe. This is day for me, number 8 lockdown, my first full day at home from work, and looking forward tomorrow to my second full day at home, unless the phone goes. So take care everybody, hoping you all stay safe, and look after yourselves, and we'll all see you all soon. Take care now. Peace out. Catch you soon. Here we are, lockdown day number 9. My second day off work. Yeah, we've got the weights out, and in the backyard, chilling out, having a cup of tea and that, and just relaxing on my second day off work, and just waiting for a phone call. But I am actually enjoying it, and just to keep the exercise going, there's the weights. Yo, so here we are, home for my 3rd day in a row, day 10 of lockdown, and I believe it's Thursday today. Being at home, you kind of lose track of what days are what, but then when you're used to being out on the road or whatever, you're moving about, your body and mind are keeping active. So I'm at home now, been indoors all day, back outside now in the backyard, in the afternoon, early evening, and going to do some press ups and some weightlifting just to keep my body active rather than basically doing nothing all day long. So here we go, we're going to do 10 press ups to start with. Ten done. Whoa, that kind of wears you out, but it keeps you going. Next, gonna do some weights. Right, next I'm gonna do some weights up and down on 10 on the right arm, 10 on the left arm, and we'll go on from there and see how we go. Yo, that's them done. So, a bit cooler out today, the sun's out, a few clouds in the sky, but not too bad really. So, to finish off my activity, just to keep me stop from stiffening up, I'm just going to do 10 lifts on the dumbbells on the right arm and 10 on the left to finish. Here comes a difficult arm. Right, that's done. That's my activities done for the day. Could enjoy the rest of the sunshine, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow on, I believe, Friday, day number 11, and my 4th day at home. Take care. Peace. Hello everyone. Just out on the push bike. We're into day 11 lockdown. I'm just getting out for my bit of exercise while I'm off work, waiting for this phone call if ever. And yeah, my 4th and full day since work finished. So yeah, the roads are pretty quiet. Here I am out on the push bike, if you can see it, heading up the road. and yeah, ain't too bad, quiet. Yeah, nearly home now, not far. A bit of exercise for the day. Yo, last stretch of the journey, I'm nearly back. Out for my 10-minute cycle ride, then it'll be home indoors chilling out again, and we'll all catch you soon tomorrow. Take care now, peace out, see you soon. Tell you what a beautiful day today, flipping hell. Weather's starting to get a bit better, everyone's still stuck at home, not much people about. I can't even think of what day we're on now. Monday to Monday, 7, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Lockdown day 13, I think. Here we are, just queuing up at Aldi's for shopping. Hello again, I've just got back home from the supermarket Aldi's. About a 15-minute wait outside, queuing up there to get in. Got my shopping done, got the essentials, which as you can see, first priorities is here. I'm home now, just going to chill out. The only thing I wanted to get, obviously, so I could do me pasta, mayonnaise, tuna, sweet corn and onions mixed with lime for dinner. Obviously I couldn't, there was no spring onions in the supermarket, so I'm going to have to pop over to my local around the corner to see if I can get spring onions from there, and then I can go ahead and get my dinner done, prepared for tonight. And so yeah, if I get the spring onions I'll let you know. Other than that, take care, peace out everybody, keep safe and stay well.